Hello students, welcome to our online classes. More on Windows, Class 4, Chapter 2. Starting window. When you switch on the computer, the first screen that appears when you switch on the computer is called desktop. Look at this. Icon. Desktop contains small graphic pictures with names such as my computer, my document, recycle bin, etc. These are graphics are called icon. Look at this. Wallpaper. The background of the desktop is called wallpaper. Now we'll learn how to apply. Right click on the blank area, the desktop, the right click menu appears. Now click the personalize option. A window appears. Click the desktop background option. A window with desktop background appears. Select a background by clicking it in the background list. Now click the shape button. The desktop background change with your selected one. Screensaver. When your computer is idle for some time, not in use, an animation image appear on the monitor. That is screensaver. And how to apply? Open screensaver setting by clicking the start button and control panel. Here click appearance and personalize option. Click and then click screensaver. Under screensaver drop down arrow, click the screensaver you want to use. Click preview to see your closed screensaver will you look like, and click OK to apply. File. Whatever you save on the computer, save from a file. A file is a collection of related data stored together. For making a file, you have to select a new option, then next let text folder. Folder also known as directories. This helps to keep files organized by grouping them together. And how to apply? Click the right mouse point once the blank area on desktop. A pull down menu appears. Select one new option. A new sub option appears. Click the folder option. A new folder will be created and display on the desktop. Type the name of the folder and cursor point the enter key. A new folder is created. Window. When you open look working the window area operating system, the rectangular work area to open any folder, program, document call a window. Basic components of window: title bar, menu bar or ribbon, the buttons, scroll bar and scroll button. Have a look. Title bar is the colored bar on top of the screen and contains the name or title of the window which is currently open. Menu bar or ribbon located under the title bar. It contains name of various menu option. Click on one of the name in the bar causes the drop-down menu to appear or related tab option to appear. These have different commands. Ribbon, there are three buttons present on the top right side of the window. They are maximize button, close button, restore button and minimize button. Scroll bar are provided on the right side on bottom of window. Vertical scroll bar let you move up and down the documents, while the horizontal bar that you move the right and left both sides of scroll bar are corresponding scroll buttons. Name two commonly used operating system. Answer: commonly used operating system are Microsoft Windows and Linux. Name two icon on desktop. Name two icon on desktop are My Computer and Recycle Bin. What is an operating system? What is its use? And the operating system is the most important program installed on a computer. Without it, computer cannot run. It acts as an interface between a user and computer. What is desktop? When you switch on the computer, first screen that appears when the switch on the computer called desktop. What is the difference between file and folder? A file is a collection of related data stored together. Folder, also known as directory, keep the files organized by grouping them. Thanks for watching.